just in the mood for coconut sweetbread. So here I have 6 cups of flour sifted already and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And I blend up my coconut here and I leave a little bit of liquid to it. So I have 4 cups of coconut here. 2 cups of brown sugar. I have 1.5 cup of softened butter, 1 tin of condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and 2 teaspoons of mixed essence. I like to do the both. And I also have my spice. Now I'm using 2 teaspoons of spice, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and I'm using 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. And I also have my mixed fruits, my raisin and my cherry. Now I cut the cherry a little smaller because I didn't want it to put the whole thing. And let's get started. So I'm adding my butter and flour. So I am combining the butter and flour. Right, so now I'm going to add my spices and mix up. Now for my coconut. I'm adding my sugar. I'm going to mix. Right. So I'm going to add my essence and my tin of condensed milk. I added a cup of coconut milk just to get it a little mixture. It was a little too dry. So I'm adding a little flour in the raisin and I'm adding it to my mixture and my cherry and fruit, and I'm keeping back some of the cherry and fruit to garnish on top of my sweetbread. And you just fold in to your batter like this. So I place my batter in my baking tray and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes until nice and golden brown. And I added some garnish. I will show you my final product. This is my final product, all finished. It took 20 minutes to finish. Look how lovely the cherry and fruits look. And this is how it looks inside. Very nice and moist and delicious. So I hope you guys try this sweetbread, sweet coconut sweetbread, and do give it a try and enjoy.